Hello guys, this side अंकुर बंसल, फैकल्टी ऑफ केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग इन दी अनअकैडमी प्लस। और आज मैं आप सबसे बात करने आया हूँ रिगार्डिंग द कॉम्बैट एग्जाम। Guys, this is a very important exam for the mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics, computer science, IT. Okay, and this is a scholarship exam, guys. आप सब I hope are aiming for the GATE examination, are aiming for the ESE examination, and to go on to that path, you need the guidance, you need the right mentorship. And in order to do that, you can come on the platform Unacademy, and Unacademy will teach you, the faculties here in the Unacademy will teach you and guide you to that path of success. And for that, you will enroll for the subscription. Okay. And guys, regarding the subscription, if you want scholarship, then Combat is the key to that scholarship. So Combat exam is there, guys. Okay. And as well as regarding the scholarship, apart from that, you can practice and enhance your preparation for the GATE examination and for the ESE examination, guys. It is a very important tool for the practice that will help you to enhance your preparation. And not only the scholarship, guys, top 100 lucky winners also entitled with various prizes like the Samsung tab, JBL speaker and Amazon vouchers. So along with the preparation, along with enhancing your preparation, you can also win the exciting prizes. The total scholarship pool for the combat examination is of 4 crore rupees. So you can just imagine that how much you can get, okay, by giving the combat examination. And not only that you can win prizes, but also the top 100 rankers, depending upon the stream, per stream, will get a 100% scholarship on the plus subscription. So other students will pay a hefty amount, but you will pay nothing. Okay, the plus subscription will be given to you on the free basis. So guys, that will help you to boost your preparation. Okay, and not only this, you can also challenge your friend because live ranking will be shown. So you can challenge your friend in the combat examination and you can compete with the other live students, okay, who are giving the combat examination. So this will help you in betterment of the competitive feeling inside you. So that will help you a lot in that. And guys, this combat examination you can give not only on the Unacademy learning app but also on the web. So on the website unacademy.com also you can give the combat exam, and also on the Unacademy learning app you can give this examination. And guys, different types of question from different topics comes, so that will help you to boost up the knowledge regarding different subjects and different topics. And also the video solutions of each and every subject, each and every question will also be uploaded just after the combat examination, so you can see the solution and you can learn from your mistakes. So it's all win-win situation, guys. Okay, you can enhance your preparation, you can compete with your friends, you can win the exciting prizes, you can also avail the free scholarships, and you can also rectify your mistakes by seeing the video solutions of the questions of the combat. So this is the most important tool to enhance your preparation for the GATE and ESE. So do not miss the combat, be ready, and guys, let's crack it.